What is going on, guys? Justin here with you, update back again with another video, and today we're going to be getting into everything you need to know about the full NOCTA collaboration that is releasing tomorrow. We're going to talk about sizing, pricing, where to cop, and everything NOCTA, so let's hop straight into today's video. Alright, so now let's get into where you could buy the collaboration. So I'm going to pop my phone up on screen right now, and as you can see, we got the whole list of where to cop. So let's start off with Canada. We have Livestock, Normal, Nomad, and Capsule. All those retailers will be online. Again, those sites usually have bots on them, so good luck. But if you want to go in store, we have Ottawa and Vancouver. Now, if you do want to get your hands first day on the collection with the highest chances, I 100% recommend going to those OVO stores if you're near Ottawa or if you're in the Vancouver area. But for Toronto, Livestock, Normal, Nomad, and Capsule, you both have the most equal chances at each retailer to get the collection. So keep that in mind. Maybe get a few things on one site, a few things on the other. So yeah, those will be the only places in Canada getting the collaboration. But I want you guys to stay posted on OVO Update and at OVO's website tomorrow on Saturday at between 10 and 12 o'clock, because they may do a shock surprise drop. You heard it here first, so definitely stay refreshing that page on Saturday. That'll be the best place to cop the collection. Now heading over to the US, again, they might have a shock drop OVO on the US site, so stay posted there. As well, in the US, you can get the SNKRS app. That's definitely a good place to grab the collection. And then we have some boutiques like Undefeated, which I forgot to list, Extra Butter, and Menreer. Those boutiques will be getting the NOCTA collection as well. So definitely stay posted to their Instagram page because they'll post all the release dates and infos there. OVO NYC, Grove, Chicago, and Las Vegas. Again, you want to get your hands on the collection first, go to these stores. You want to get a good chance, go here. Next up, we got the UK and EU. Again, they have the SNKRS app. Go there first if you're in the UK. Then we have Naked, Soulbox, Asphalt, and End. Asphalt and End are raffles. I'm pretty sure they're done now, but you can go to their Instagram, go to their website, and check for yourself. But Naked and Soulbox, two boutiques that will have the collection. So go to their Instagram page, find out all the release information there, and you'll be good. OVO London will be having the collection. If you're in London, I 100% recommend going to the store. And then last but not least, we have Asia SNKRS, we have Works Out, and Bait Japan, OVO Japan Online, and Tokyo. So again, two retailers in Japan, SNKRS, and the online OVO store, as well as the flagship. A bunch of great places to grab the collection there. So all the places I just listed there, you can go now and search their Instagram pages to find out release times and all their information on how you can get it from their Instagram page. There, they're going to give you the most information, as well as even prices and more. I definitely recommend, if you see a boutique you may want to try out, go to the Instagram page and find out for yourself more information. Now let's talk about the sizing. The whole collection fits big, guys. The whole collection, kind of like NRG, as Livestock said to one of their customers. So as you guys know, I am a large in everything OVO, pants, hoodies, shirts. I am a large. But in this collection, I'm gonna stay a medium on everything. Medium pants, medium tee, medium hoodie. Honestly, it might even be a little big, but I'm gonna play it safe, as I recommend you guys should too. So definitely just go with your true size. If it's a little big, pants always have a drawstring, and the jacket may fit a little oversized, which can be good because you might want to wear the hoodie underneath. As you can see, most of the guys in the photos do that already. So keep that in mind when buying the collaboration. If you want that slim fit, I guess I'd say size down. But again, I'd want to play it safe. So now that we talked about where you could buy it and the sizing, let's talk about what's releasing in the next drop, as well as the pricing and the full collection that's releasing tomorrow. So as you can see, I'm up on my phone now. We're on NOCTA.com, where it surprise dropped last night, and they actually gave us a preview of all the items. So starting off, we have the two puffer jackets. Now it comes in the yellow and the black. In my opinion, the black one is a lot nicer and is gonna sell out way faster than the yellow. So if you do want to get your hands on the black jacket, you're gonna have to be very quick. That comes in at $400 or 480 Canadian. Next up, we have the unreleased jacket. That's gonna be dropping February 23rd. Very cool, looks like a shell, almost like a snowboard jacket. Then we have the track jacket dropping tomorrow. They have matching pants for these as well. This was $135. Not a bad price on that jacket. Again, we have a vest dropping February 23rd. Very cool, very cool. And then we have the hoodies, the yellow and the black. Now you guys already know the black sweatsuit is gonna sell out very quick. Definitely the hottest item, the most affordable item that people want from this collection. So if you do want it, you gotta be quick. As well as this turtleneck, very cool, very dope, something different. I definitely want to get my hands on this one. So it's $70 for the crew neck and only $120 for the hoodie. Next up, we have the two t-shirts. Again, you can't go wrong with a t-shirt. White and black, those are $45 US each. They have that nice graphic on the back, pretty cool. Then we have two more t-shirts that are coming in the next drop. And then here are the matching pants to the hoodies, $110 US each. The black ones are definitely on my wish list, so I'm gonna try for those. As well as the matching pants to the nylon tracksuit. These are $100 US. And then they have the not for sale do-rag, which is pretty cool. I can't believe they even threw this on the site. The unreleased hat, and then the hat that's releasing for $32 US. Simple, clean. One side says NOCTA, the other side has the swoosh. And then the gloves and the socks, the gloves coming in at $70 US. I think it's like 95 Canadian. Very dope. Again, another hot item that's gonna sell out. And then last but not least, we have the socks. Need to get my hands on both of these as well. So down below, let me know what you're gonna be trying to cop for yourself tomorrow. That is about it for the whole entire NOCTA collection. As you guys can see though, we have another drop coming in February, and I'm sure they have some more items to add to that drop as well. Maybe that baby blue puffer. I know there's a hoodie with NOCTA on the back. It looks super sick. Honestly, I think it's better than the hoodie that's dropping tomorrow. You're gonna want to stay posted to the channel because we got everything NOCTA coming, especially a huge unboxing for you guys as well. So stay posted, stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And with that all being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.